Or you waste so much time to make a transition? Today in this video, Swift Tool will help you improve your edit. When install the DRFX, you will have two files. One is Mine Adjustment Clips version and one is Swift Tool. Because the normal version does not work with Swift Tool, just hit this star to make it favorite. Every time you want to use it, you just need to click here to find it. Drag Mine Adjustment Clip between your video and drop Swift Tool on it. I will try to make adjustment clip in middle of both video. Just like this. Now drop Swift Tool on it. There are a lot of effect and transition right here you can use. I will turn on this camera shake color transition. Like right here, if you want to use push transition, you just need to make two adjustment clips. One for in and one for out. Drop the plugin for both adjustment clips, then turn on push transition. Then choose animation in and out for both. By the way, I create a Discord server if you found any issue when using my plugin, or if you want to join and share your effect, you can join my server. You can combine transition if you want. Just turn on other affected and setting like what you like. That all, if you like it, I just put it in description and it's free. You can pay for it. If you want, that will be a big motivation for me to make more plugin or template like this. Hope you enjoy the video and plugin. Thank you for watching and peace out.